Hi everyone, I'm Bea and I'm here to teach you Italian in the most simple and effective way as possible. Today, in our lesson number 7, we are going to talk about days of the week. So we are going to learn how to pronounce all the days of the week. I'm going to tell you how to say weekend in Italian and how to wish have a good week or have a good weekend to someone in Italian. Talking about the days of the week, we have lunedì, lunedì, martedì, martedì, mercoledì, mercoledì, giovedì, giovedì, venerdì, venerdì, sabato, sabato, domenica, domenica. So, first of all, be very careful with the pronunciation of the first 5 days. We have this graphic sign, which is the accent on the I, so you have to be careful to pronounce lunedì with the accent on the last vocal. Martedì, mercoledì, giovedì. Be careful with the sound of gio. It's a very G sound. You can find this particular sound in the lesson number 2, I guess, which is the one about the alphabet. You can find all the playlist in my YouTube channel, so be careful to check this video, to check the video about the alphabet, to learn how to pronounce this sound G. Another thing that I want to tell you is that when we want to just, say all the days of the week, we usually start from Monday. In English, it's more common to say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. In Italian, we say lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, and so on. So when we want just to list all of the days, we start from Monday. So we have sabato and domenica, which creates the weekend. How to say weekend in Italian? First of all, we also use the word weekend. We stole it from English. It's very common. But we have also another way in which we can say weekend, which is the end of the week. Literally, we translate it and we say il fine settimana. Fine settimana is used like a single masculine word. So it's il fine settimana. Check the video about Italian genders if you want to know more about this. Anyway, it's a masculine word and it's fine settimana. To say week, we use the word settimana, which is la settimana because it's feminine. So it will be il fine settimana and la settimana. If you want to wish someone to have a good week, you will say buona settimana. And if you want to wish have a good weekend, you will say buon fine settimana. It's like how it was with buongiorno and buonasera. I don't know if you remember it, but you can find it in the video number 4 about greetings. So if you want to know more about how to wish have a good day, have a good night, have a good, afternoon, you can check the video number 4. If you want to ask, where do you go this weekend in Italian, you can say dove vai questo weekend, dove vai questo weekend, or you can also say dove vai questo fine settimana. So we use both. Weekend, we use it as a masculine word, so it will be questo, and you can also say questo fine settimana. It's the same, and I will say they are both very common. I would like to focus on 2 things about this sentence. Where do you go this weekend? So dove vai questo fine settimana? First of all, I want to talk about the verb to go in Italian. In the infinite form, the verb to go is andare. But this verb is very irregular. It's irregular in general. We have an irregular conjugation. So I will talk about it in the next video because it's very important, the verb to go in Italian, but it's strange. I will say it can be difficult. So I will explain this in the next video in a very simple way, and you will be able to talk about the action of going. So if you're thinking about why I say vai if the infinite form is andare, you will understand this in the next video. Moreover, if you notice that in the sentence dove vai questo fine settimana, you don't have the article because you say questo fine settimana and you don't say il fine settimana. This is because we have the demonstrative adjective, which is questo. So we will talk about demonstrative adjectives in our next video. They are very simple actually. So I will teach you all the demonstrative adjectives. So this, that, those in a video that will come very soon. So to conclude, now let's repeat all the days of the week. Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, and domenica. Okay guys, so for today it's everything. We will see each other on Monday. I will publish another video of this video course about Italian. The next video will complete this video. They are very linked indeed. In the next video I will talk about the verb to go, but this verb will allow you to talk about your week routine, because I will propose you a lot of examples. For example, I don't know, on Monday I go to the gym, on Thursday I go to the park, and so we will learn a lot of useful vocabulary, and we will learn how to explain your week routine by mixing days of the week and the verb to go. Okay guys, so now it's truly everything. I want to thank you a lot for watching this video. I would like to receive all your comments and your questions, so I will of course reply. Thank you for following me. See you on Monday, and a presto. Ciao!